How to pause your YNAB subscription. Hello and welcome back everyone to a new video on Healthgenic. If you have a subscription of YNAB and you're now trying to pause it for some time, in today's video, let me show you the process. In order to cancel your subscription, make sure you open up YNAB on the web. If you're using an iOS, you can also use the iOS subscription to cancel the plan. But if you're using the web, you'll need to head over to the profile icon or the profile section on the top and then click on account settings. Now YNAB by default does not provide the option of pausing. The only thing that you can do is cancel your subscription. But however, canceling your subscription does not mean deleting your data. Once you cancel your subscription and then again start your subscription after a couple of months, your data will be intact. So there's no need to fear that your data would be deleted as soon as you cancel the subscription. So in the account settings, you can scroll down. Currently, I have a trial plan for YNAB, but if you have a paid plan, right here you'll see the option of canceling the subscription. Just click on the cancel button and then accept the cancellation. That way your account now will be cancelled and you no longer will be charged. If you plan to restart your subscription, you can again add in your card and then pay for the new subscription. So that was the video about the way that you pause or cancel your subscription inside of YNAB. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.